If you search for an Arduino workbench or workstation, you will find a lot of support for it. But if you search for the same thing, but for an ESP32, you will not find that many. I have this workstation, and I would like to use my ESP32 on the same workstation. For that, you will need an ESP32, an experimental PCB, roughly the size of an Arduino. Mine was a bit too small, so I need to have an empty Arduino Shield in between. In effect, we are going to build an ESP32 breakout Arduino Shield.